Hi, this is Dylan Boy's Train Show. Say welcome to my show. He says welcome to his show. And what are you gonna do today, Dylan Boy?
Too much clean.
Wow, show us what we'll be looking at.
I got. I think this be the colors and be in the back. But this is the coal car.
That's a coal guy. Wow, and what color is your coal guy?
I think it's yellow.
Correct.
And so we have a coal car, but it's a coal car. It belongs to James.
That's James's coal cart from Sodor?
Yeah, I guess.
Oh, wow.
It goes in the back. Right here.
Okay. What are we looking at next?
The tanker.
That's a tanker train?
Yeah.
Wow.
But it's a tanker. It has oil in it.
Is Oreo in it?
Yeah. It has oil, but it belongs.
And what train's next, Dylan Boy?
Give me.
There. Sorry. What train's next, Dylan?
The orange one.
And what does that car haul?
I think it's he's in the back.
But what do you put in it?
Coal.
Coal?
Yeah.
Very good.
But I think this is but it's a coal. It belongs in coal in it. But it's a coal car. And each one is, I think this is a night. One on here, one on here. But it's a night. It belongs right here. And one is, I think this is a, but it's a train, a needle train. And these, I think this is the freight, but it's a freight train. It belongs right here. And the one is, I think this is a Jobina car. But,
It is. Where are the Joby logs?
I think one is in my plate. Let me check.
Okay. No. Go to the next one. And last but not least, what's the last car you'll show us today, Dylan?
This is a freight.
A freight train. Wow, Dylan Boy, it sure looks like you have a lot of
No.
trains.
A couple more. This is a tanker, but it has oil in it.
It has Oreo in it.
Yeah. But this is a coal car. It belongs in coal in it.
It has coal in it.
Yeah. But we have these. I think this is.
Hey, look! I have the same train as you. They're twins.
Them twins.
Yeah.
This is a coal. I think this is little, but it's a coal car. I'm gonna leave it right here. And the one is, I think this is a Jobina car, but it's a Jobina car. I'm gonna
Say goodbye. Those are my trains.
think my train.
See you next time.
See you next time.